Good morning, everybody. SR Vasad Arts Science and VS Belliyal Commerce College, Unugunda. Respected Madam Professor S.K. Mutt, Principal, and respected Professor S.R. Nagarnanor, Organizing Secretary, Dr. S.R. Golkunda, IQAC Coordinator, and faculty members, audience. Now, I will start with my title of the paper, Digital Tools and Techniques in Historical Research. Related terms: history, meaningful record of human achievement. Research, formula systematic application of scientific method to the study of problems. Historical research. Historical research is a procedure supplementary to observation in which the researcher seeks to test the authenticity of reports or observation made by others. Historical research involving analysis of the events that occurred in the remote or recent past. Historical research has been defined as the systematic and objective location, evaluation, and systematic of evidence in the order to establish facts and draw conclusion about past event. It involves a critical inquiry of a previous age within the aim of reconstruction, a faithful representation of the past. The example: how does a philosophy and religion shape a society? Research question: how to create the question? What impact did Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, etc. on the society? How was a religious text, Mahabharata, Ramayana, Quran, Bible, is used to justify power, change, etc.? What were the causes or impact of the spread of political philosophy? And how did a religion get adopted or changed as it is spread? Characteristics of historical research. It is not a mere accumulation of facts on data. It is a flowing, vibrant report of past events. Collection and reading the research material. It deals with discovery of data. It is analytical in that it uses logical induction. It has a variety of focus such as issue, events, movement, concept. Next one, the type of historical research. The first one, the social issues. Second one, study of specific individual, educational institution and social movements. Third one, exploration of relationship between events. Synthesis of data. Reinterpretation of past event. Purpose of historical research: to solve contemporary problems. Second one, learning from past failure and success. Third one, make prediction. Fourth one, to re-evaluate data in relation to selected hypotheses, theories and generalizations. Fifth one, to understand how and why educational theories and practices developed. The steps of historical research. Identify the research topic or title. The first of all, how to find out the identity of the research title. Second, formulate the research problem or question. Third one, data collection or literature review. Evaluation of materials. Data synthesis. Report preparation and preparation of the narrative exposition. Why would be person want to conduct the historical research? The historical research is conducted to uncover unknown, answer questions, relationship that the past has to the present, record and evaluation, accompaniment of individual, agency or institutions. Last one, aid in understanding the culture in which we live. What type of information used was conducting historical research study? The first document, record, photographies, relics, interviews. There are five important the information use of the or conduct of the historical research. And sources of data. Those sources are broadly clarified into two types. Number one, primary sources. Second one, secondary sources. There are two important sources in historical research. But primary sources document numerical records, oral statement, relics and remains, artifacts. So secondary sources, textbook, biography, periodicals, other reference, and another one important, encyclopedia. The difference between primary and secondary sources. So totally, what is difference between primary and secondary sources? The first one, a primary sources is an original, first-hand record or account or artifacts that has served from the past. The secondary sources is an account of new created after the events or created from the primary sources. Second one, the primary sources, it has a direct involvement with the events being investigated. Secondary sources, it has not direct involvement with the events being investigated. Third one, for having a direct physical relationship, the possibility of error is very little. Secondary sources, it is a very possible that secondary sources contain error due to passing of information from one sources to another. Primary sources has no dependency on the secondary sources. Secondary sources are totally dependent upon primary sources. Researcher or reliable of primary sources, researcher do not rely on secondary sources. Example, diplomas, cartoon, diaries, memories, newspaper, photos, yearbook, memos, periodicals, reports, files, attendance record, census report, budget, map, and test article of clothing, building, books, architectural plans, desks, or any other object that might provide useful information about the past. Key data collection of techniques. Surveys, questionnaire, panel questionnaire designs, interviews, experimental treatments. Scope of historical research in education. General educational history of specific period, history of national education policies, history of the role of the teacher, history of specific types of education, history of specific components of education, history of admission process in professional, historical biographies of major contributors to education, comparative history of education, historical study of system. The next one, history of teacher education, history of educational finance, legislation, planning, and administration. The historical study of the relationship between politics and education. Problems and weakness to be avoided in historical research. The researcher need to synthesize, and it is a meaningful chronological patterns. The researcher need to be aware of his or her own personal values. Adequate criticism of sources of historical data is essential. How can historical research tell us anything about the present? The historical research can show patterns. Understanding this can add representative on how we examine current events and educational practices. It can also show us that we do not need to continually reinvent the wheel, because we should always start with what history tells us. Important in the field of education. It enables educationists to find out solutions, temporary problems, which have their roots the past. It through light of present trends and it can help in prediction future trends. It enable a researcher to re-evaluate data in relation to select hypotheses, theories, and generalization that are presently held about the past. In enables to us to understanding how and why educational theories and practices development. The next criticism. There are two types of criticism. One is the external criticism data. Second one, internal criticism data. Model of historical research. Research topic education during the first of the 15th century. For example, this is one topic, educational during the first of the 15th century. How to prepare research question, how to collect the data collection, evaluation, data synthesis, last one, report preparation. Now, the major point of digital tools and techniques in research, historical research. Google does not answer all your questions. Application of digital tools and technique in research. The information and communication technology, ICT. The information and communication technology is an umbrella term that includes any communication device or application encompassing radio, television, cellular phones, computer and network, hardware and software, satellite system, and so on, as well as the various services and applications associated with them, such as video conferencing and distance learning. The information and communication technology in higher education is not only used in research and academic work, but also being used for developing online course material, delivering study content and sharing content with remotely located students. Communication between learners, teachers, and outside world, creation and delivery of presentation and lecturers in academics. Generally, digital tools and technique historical researcher in the following research related to task. Identify research area and identify appropriate information sources, though searching various online portals. Literary survey and critically analysis known information for further reading. Use information to extend and communicated knowledge across subject area fields with wide community. Choose methods for research, data collection, manage information data collectively, referencing, presently or share or disseminate instructive information, exchange, deposit, geographical distance, costless accumulation of data and document. Search multiple databases and electronic resource stimulatively. Retrieve results in a common format to consume. Link to other individual databases for more specialized searching and select favorite researchers. And e-journals, save research and records and steps email alert. The role of digital technology in higher education. Research and academic work can broadly divide into 4 major areas. The very important communication, how information and communication technology has changed the way researchers communicated with other parties. The next one, information sharing. How quickly and easily information can be shared across the global. Simulation, virtual lab and robotic experiment. Evaluation, various tools and technology for feedback and evaluation. Tools and services for research. There are thousands of digital tools for researcher to help you through your journey. To find interesting fact covering details of each tools is behind the scope of this article. We have covered most important ICT, information and communication technology product, which helps you in exploring the literature, content, curation, share data, search engine and research paper. Google or Bing or Yahoo and many other search engines help you to find useful and relevant content. This also helps to you to explore the millions of theses and already the published article and keep you up to date with the latest happening in your area of interest. Below are important online tools to explore millions of research articles across the global. Google Scholar provided a way to broadly search for scholarly literature across the discipline and sources. Microsoft Academic Search. Find information about academic paper, authors, conference, journals, and organization from multiple sources. ScienceCap. Innovation in the exploration of papers and authors. ResearchGate. ResearchGate is the professional network for scientists and researchers. Over 15 million members from all over the world use it is a share, discuss the research. BioNTech. This portal with literature search, data statistics, reading, sorting, storing, field expert, identification, and journal finder. Academia Education is a platform of academic to share research paper. The company's mission is to create the world research. SSRN, Social Science Research Network, more than 8 lakhs paper. Multidisciplinary online repository of scholarly research and related materials is a social sciences. Deepa Divya provides simply and uploadable accesses of millions of articles across the thousands of peer-reviewed journals, content from the world's leading publisher, including Reed, Elsevier, Spring, Wiley, Backwell, and more. Wiki Journal Club. Open user review summaries of the top studies in the medical research. Most useful. Any research scholar, the go to website. The first one, InflubNet, Shodha Ganga, Shodha Gangotri, e-library. There are 4 most useful of website. The lax together thesis or research paper is there. Any research scholar, the find out of the all the searching the website, the more useful of the material, the useful of researcher. Thank you one and all.